their study by sponsoring from us. They study in Malaysia here, in the university's name IIUM, the International Islamic University. They are from Afghanistan. They are in conflict area and hard area. So ESCO also sponsoring them, and they graduated now and they return in their country. So this is our mission, to help everyone, adults or child. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Good.
The last question of this interview is, what are ISCO future goals in improving global education?
Okay. I believe that it's like this dream, of course. I would like to also see that it's to make education as a global opportunity. It means that we work like in network. Everyone and every who believe that education is the right, and all the organization, non-profit organization, and also the foundations who work in also in education area. So when we work also together as we as one unit, so I believe we can make something for global education, not for specifically area. When we also make the big cooperation between one organization, for example, from UK, from Malaysia, from Australia, from Qatar, for example, from Kuwait. So we all together, we can contribute to make something for globally in education area. For us, we focus specifically globally to support the students who needs education, specifically in higher education, in degree, bachelor degree, master degree, also PhD degree. So that student will get their education, and when they return back to their country and they make development inside country. So I believe we make at least things as globally for these people. For example, if we teach and give that education and opportunity for a student from Yemen, from Afghanistan, from Palestine, from Myanmar, from China, for example, so we make like tent. That tent is like you can support everyone around the world. They come here in Malaysia, for example, study, and they return in their home and they make that development. So we believe could this message all the educational foundations work on, and also when we have one unit